I suggest together to understand when you need to choose ReFramework. For this, it needs highlighting the strengths of ReFramework. It must be said that ReFramework is still a structure for large projects, and it contains the implementation of many useful features for working with large projects. Using the structure of a state machine makes it easy to split the process into logical parts, for which there are already made places in the structure of the ReFramework. The structure of a state machine implements the work with repetitive actions for each transaction. For example, if the project has a list of values for which you need to perform some actions, this is already a reason to think about using a ReFramework. For the same purpose, the ReFramework implemented work based on orchestrator queues. The standard transaction item in the ReFramework is an item with the data type queue item, and in the ReFramework implemented all the necessary actions to get the values from the queue. It should be clarified that ReFramework provides the ability to change the data type for the item of the transaction. The next advantage of using ReFramework is the pre-implemented possibility of using credentials. Usually, UiPath uses the orchestrator assets to work with credential, but it is also possible to work with the Windows Credential Manager. The next advantage is the constant error handling in each state of the state machine, what makes automation more reliable due to the considered logic in handling errors and exceptions. Using the config file is also a big advantage, and it gives the opportunity to make some change to the process without using UiPath Studio. Let's sum up. Using UiPath ReFramework is necessary when you have several fitted of the following. Automates a large business process. It's necessary to break the process into smaller logical parts. The basis of the process is recurring transactions. It is necessary to use queues. It is necessary to work with credentials. Requires increased reliability and error handling. The ability to make some changes to the process after development. The more matches you have in these projects in this list, the higher the need to use the ReFramework. I hope this information will help you in creating good automation.